What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and I want to give a huge shout out to Anker and AnkerWork for sending me their new PowerConf C200 2K USB webcam. This webcam is a 30 frames per second 2K USB webcam that'll work with Zoom or any of your other applications that you use. It plugs in like a standard webcam, has low light correction, adjustable field of view, stereo mics, built-in privacy shield, and AI noise canceling. So lots of great stuff on this webcam, and I'm looking forward to doing a full review of it soon. Let's go ahead and continue with the unboxing. So we can see here we have our 2K 30 FPS, 95-degree field of view, 2 microphones, USB-C cable, autofocus or manual focus, and a privacy shield. And in the box comes with the USB cable and the webcam itself. Our handy dandy knife. And we'll take off this plastic here. Now one thing is the box is really nice. It's packaged. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Like there's textures on the box itself, and not just the outer box. You can see the gloss there, but the inner boxes also have some really nice textures on them as well. So let's go ahead and open this up and pull this out and take a look at that inner. So you can see that it has textured effects and layers on the inner box as well, which is a nice touch. Now remember, this currently retails for $69.99 on Amazon, so it's basically half the price of their other PowerConf webcam, while still offering 2K. I believe their other webcam only offers 1080p, so this is really nice. What do you think of our work? So far, so good. So we have some inside packing materials and instructions here. And here's the actual device and cable. So let's look at the cable first. Let's leave the best for last. Standard, maybe 3-foot USB cable, maybe 2-foot. And to keep it from scratching, we have our webcam itself wrapped up as well, which is nice. The field of view can be adjusted from 65 to 78 to 95. So we have 3 different fields of views that we could use. Our privacy shield on top. USB in the back. Mounting on the bottom. And it's a pretty open mounting method. You could use a standard tripod mount or mount it on your monitor. It has a few different ways you can adjust it to get the angle right. No left and right adjustments, but up and down adjustments for sure. So that's how that works. Pretty nice. I'm looking forward to doing a full review of this and testing out the quality itself and comparing it to some of my other webcams, and that'll be coming in a video soon. Let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching. Peace.